Hi favorites! Today we'll be making catfish stew with white rice. Grab your chair, sit back and see how I make this seamless catfish tomato stew. So this is me at the market buying my point and kill azundo. Yes, azundo simply means fresh fish, fish that is still alive. You point and it's being killed for you. So she's done and I'll be taking it home for proper washing and cleaning. So this is my tomato, my pepper, my onion, ginger and garlic, tatashe and some shombo. I'll be washing them nicely and proceeding to the blender. In a clean pot, I just added my vegetable oil and some sliced onion. I'll be frying until it becomes translucent. There are various ways of prepping your tomatoes. Some will want to cook it first before they blend to get rid of the water, while some people just go to the blender straight and blend everything. So that is the method I just adopted for this particular recipe. And I just added my tomato and I'll be frying until it becomes a bit dry. Now I'm beginning to wash my catfish. I'll be separating them properly because she didn't separate them quite very well because they are always in a haste to attend to other customers. I'll be washing with some limes. If you have lemon, if you have vinegar, use any of those so that you get rid of that smell that comes with catfish. I'll be using my scissors to get rid of some of the parts that I don't really want, like the fins and all that. I'm done using my lime, but I'm not going to be discarding them. I'll be setting them aside for another batch of warm washing. Now I just added my hot water. The hot water will help us to give those fish some shock and toughen them so that they don't disintegrate or break into pieces. So now I'm done washing finally. I use the final lemon to do the final cleaning. And this is me spicing up my fish. Here I have some fish sauce. I just added it, and I have some fish spices. I added now my curry powder. I added ginger and garlic also. I didn't add salt because most of those spices comes with salt. I'll be combining everything and set it aside to marinate. Moments later, I went to check our stew. They are not properly fried. You know your tomato is fried very well when the oil begins to settle at the top like this one. So I gave it a stir to make sure it isn't burning. And now I added all-purpose seasoning, about a tablespoon of that. I added a little more ginger. I'm a fan of ginger and garlic. Now I added my mixed herbs. And next I'll be adding my curry powder, about a teaspoon of that. I added my thyme. Next I added some salt to taste. And now I'll be adding my nutmeg powder, just a little of it. I almost forgot our bouillon. Now I'll be adding my no bouillon cubes. And lastly, I'll be adding my curry powder, my curry leaf for additional flavor and aroma. I'll give it a quick stir and now I'll be adding my fish. Remember, I just want everything to be fresh. This is not a time for over frying your tomatoes. I don't really believe in over frying tomatoes. Like, why do you need to over fry your tomato? But it's okay if that is how you want it. Yes. So now I'll be adding my fish. I'll be slightly stirring it so they don't start breaking. Even though I washed with some hot water to toughen it, that will not prevent it from breaking if I carelessly turn it or turn it too much. So I'll be covering the pot for our fish to absorb some of the taste from our stew. And now I'll be taking the head to see what I've cooked. Yes, as the chef in my house, I'll be checking with the head. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, help me subscribe. Hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I post new videos. And to all my returning viewers, you guys are so doing very well. I appreciate you guys and God bless you all for watching my videos whenever I post new videos. To all my returning viewers, to all my new viewers, all of you are highly cherished. God bless you all. I'll be seeing you again in my next one. Thank you for watching. Do stay blessed.